와삭 와삭 영어 한마디.
Wow! Joy, help! Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, help! Ah!
오늘의 영어는
Mom, Dad. Hello, I'm Amanda. Look at the picture. Who is she? She usually cooks and does the washing. She is the woman of the parents in your house. Who is she? Mom. Who is he? He usually helps Mom and goes to work. He is the man of the parents in your house. Who is he? Dad. Repeat after me. Mom. Dad.
Mom, I love you. Dad, I love you. Grandma, I love you. I love you.
오늘의 영어는
Grandma, Grandpa. Hello, I'm Amanda. Look at the picture. Who is she? She is old. She has a lot of wrinkles on her face. Her hair is gray. She is Dad's mom. Who is she? Grandma. Who is he? He is also old. He has a lot of wrinkles on his face. His hair is also gray. He is Dad's dad. Who is he? Grandpa.
따라하세요.
Repeat after me. Grandma. Grandpa.
오늘의 영어는
Face, ears, eyes, nose, mouth. Hi, I'm Amanda. Let's make a face. Eye, eyes. Ear, ears. Nose, mouth. Wow! This is a face. She's pretty.
Here I go, here I go. Wash your face.
No, thank you. No, thank you. No, no, no.
Here I go, here I go. Wash your face.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Yes, yes, yes.
따라하세요.
Repeat after me. Face. Ears. Eyes. Nose. Mouth.
Leo, come in. Close your eyes. Stand up. Sit down. Now, open your eyes, Leo.
Freeze. Close your eyes. Raise your hands. No, raise your hands. Shake your head. Shake your whole body.
오늘의 영어는
Body, head, hands, feet. Hello, I'm Amanda. Look at the picture. What's this? Hand. Hand. Hands. What's this? Foot. Foot. Feet. What's this? Head. It's a body.
따라하세요.
Repeat after me. Body, head, hands, feet.
Do you want pizza?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll cook for you.
Yummy!
Salt, garlic, pepper, ketchup. Here you are.
Yuck! I'll keep chewing on this shoe.
오늘의 영어는
Do you want pizza? Yes, please. Hello, I'm Amanda. If your mom is cooking for you in the kitchen and you come in, she may ask you, do you want pizza? If you want pizza, answer like this. Yes, please.
Do you want some chicken? Do you want some chicken?
Yes, please. Yes, please. I like it so much. I like it so much.
I cook everything. I cook everything. I'm the best cook.
따라하세요.
Repeat after me. Do you want pizza? Yes, please.
Do you want some popcorn?
No, I don't. I want some ice cream.
Do you want some popcorn?
No, I don't. I want some cotton candy.
Do you want some popcorn?
No, I don't. I'm just looking.
오늘의 영어는
Do you want some popcorn? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Hello, I'm Amanda. If you go to the movies with your friend and your friend asks you, do you want some popcorn? If you do want some popcorn, Yes, I do. If you don't want some popcorn, no, I don't.
따라하세요.
Repeat after me. Do you want some popcorn? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Red. Yellow.
Blue.
Green.
오늘의 영어는
Red, blue, yellow, green. Yesterday, I went to a park. There were lots of beautiful colors. The color of the sky was blue. The color of the grass was green. The color of the roses was red. The color of the butterfly was yellow.
따라하세요.
Repeat after me. Red, blue, yellow, green.
Blue, 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 blue. No, no, yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. No, no, green. Green, green, green. No, no, red. Red, red, red. Yes, yes. I like red, 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 red. I like red, 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 red.
오늘의 영어는
Red, blue, yellow, green. Hello, I'm Amanda. Let's learn about colors. What color is this? Red. What color is this? Blue. What color is this? Yellow. What color is this? Green.
따라하세요.
Repeat after me. Red, blue, yellow, green.
A red skirt. Blue pants. A yellow t-shirt. Green socks. I'm done!